excited. Okay, sample. Oh, the pears. Oh.
I got the first one, guys. I win.
Ooh. Yeah. Did I pay for this? Not yet. Yeah. Oh, that one looks good.
Someone that you used to be before you are buried in responsibility.
Oh, shoulder. Where are we aiming?
Oh my god!
Oh no.
No, don't get it.
And embroidered in your name. How will
You only want one pair?
Like how
Yeah. I'm just gonna walk around right now. I want to fill my basket.
good vibe.
Yeah, it's for the vibe, for the experience. Something you can only do in fall.
stalks you in your dreams and makes bitter what is sweet. You grind your teeth at night.
My goal is to pick 6 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 2 more. Ah, it's a cute shot.
All the things that you could never be.
Thank you. Where is huge?
Embroidered in your name was never
So sweet.
how will
Very juicy. Very juicy.
So good.
Let's keep showing up like that.
She's finally awake. Hi. Bitches.
Yeah, I think you're the happiest.
You guys ready? Are you flexing? Wow. It's pretty. So pretty. Okay, go. Let's go more over there. The selfies.
The water's like sparkling.
Yeah.
Like blue.
We did it. We're getting ready for a Halloween party. Is this okay or you want to tie it? Really?
My little corset. Make my waist look snatched.
Okay. Ah, fun time. I can sit. Kind of like this side.
This side?
Yeah. Hey, it looks so good. See, final outfit. Oh, nice. It's like a cooked spider. I like the big review that you gotta give. Yeah. Whoa. Show the back. Get the moon. Like Mulan. Hello.
Oh my god!
Hello, hello. Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm doing myself! Oh, Mr. 305! Whoa! Adelyn! Oh wait, this is kinda cool! Adelyn! Wait, how do I? Tap?
The circle. You press the circle button.
This is the worst footage I've ever.
Oh. Oh.
Waited for so long. This is the moment. 지난 적들의 사랑을 더해.
Yes. Please. Please.
From the side.
Wow, so cute. So cute. Wow. Kiss. Kiss.
$20. I feel like this is worth $20.